In today's video, I'll show you how to subscribe to Crunchyroll. First, open your browser and go to the official Crunchyroll website. On the home page, click Compare All Plans. You'll see the available options such as Fan and Mega Fan. Choose the plan you prefer and select whether you want to pay monthly or yearly. If you choose yearly, you can save up to 41%. They also offer a 7-day free trial for new subscribers. After selecting your plan, click Start 7-day free trial. You'll then create your account by entering your email address and password and clicking Create Account. The final step is to enter your payment information. Choose between PayPal or credit, debit card, enter the required details, and once everything is complete, click Finish Checkout to activate your subscription. And that's it. That's how you subscribe to Crunchyroll.